If you're still using the same talking avatar tools everyone else is using, you're already behind. Today, I'm breaking down how a new AI engine completely changes the game, and why it makes older avatar tools look outdated overnight. AI avatar generator tools are evolving fast. Honestly, almost every single month, new AI models keep coming out, and they look more human each time. And here's the crazy part. Most creators don't even know this new AI setup exists. So today, I'm revealing it. This AI avatar generator uses Kling AI's latest model, and honestly, it changes everything. It even makes the #1 tool HeyGen look outdated overnight. Pretty wild, right? Now the tool I'm talking about is my personal favorite. It's Jogg AI. Jogg AI recently added the Kling 2.6 Pro model, and the results are insane. It creates virtual, human-like avatars. They speak naturally. The facial expressions feel real. The lip syncing is accurate. Even the gestures look human. But that's not the end of it. Jogg AI's new built-in Avatar X model fixes the one thing avatars have always been missing. Not better motion, not sharper faces, emotion. Real emotion. The kind that makes people stop and watch longer. Honestly, this doesn't feel like AI anymore. And yes, it outperforms the current market leader. So let me show you exactly how I use Jogg AI, step by step, simple and clear. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create hyper-realistic talking avatars yourself. Alright, let's get started. Jogg AI offers a free plan, which is great because it lets you test how realistic their human-style avatars look before you spend any money. This matters because avatar quality can vary a lot, and you want to see real results first. You can sign up using the link in the description or by scanning the QR code. Once you're inside, we'll start from the dashboard. You notice Avatar Video. This is where you create talking avatar videos straight away using public avatar library. Anyone can use those avatars. Here's why that matters. Because they're public, other people may be using the same face. If you want your videos to feel unique and professional, I strongly recommend not using a public avatar. Instead, use a custom avatar. You can use any image generation tool to create a photorealistic human image. Choose the look you want. In my case, I already have a vertical portrait photo of a girl. I'm going to turn that photo into a talking avatar. Now do this. Go to the Avatar section from the side menu. Click Create Avatar, then select Photo to Avatar. This is the step where many people pause, but it's simple. Just upload the portrait photo you want to use. Once the image is uploaded, we move to voice selection. Here's why this step matters. The voice plays a huge role in how real the avatar feels. Jogg AI gives you access to hundreds, actually thousands of AI voices. These voices are powered by 11 Labs, Minimax, Azure, and Hume. That means you'll almost always find a voice that fits your avatar. I've already tagged some voices as favorites. To save time, I'll filter by favorites using the checkbox. From here, I'll choose Ava, Natural AI Voice. I've tested this voice many times, and it works especially well for calm, realistic avatars. Once your voice is selected, click Confirm. Before we move on, check this. Make sure the voice matches the personality and look of your avatar. If it feels off, change now. This is much easier to fix here than later. Next, you'll choose the avatar model. I recommend selecting the newly added Kling 2.6 Pro model. This model gives more natural motion and better facial behavior. This choice matters because the model controls how human the avatar feels. Now we get to the motion prompt. This is where you describe how your avatar moves and expresses itself. Many people rush this part but don't. Think of this as giving acting instructions. Here is the motion prompt I use. The avatar maintains natural, calm facial expressions with smooth, steady eye movement. Eyebrow movement is minimal and subtle, with no dramatic expressions. Facial expressions stay relaxed and neutral, never stiff or overly animated. Movements feel human and effortless, not robotic. The avatar looks directly into the camera at all times and does not glance at a screen. Hand gestures are gentle and natural, used sparingly to support the speech. If this feels confusing, don't worry. The key idea is simple: calm, natural, and human. Once your motion prompt is ready, click Generate Avatar. Jogg AI will take about 2 to 3 minutes to create it. Here's what's important to understand. After this step, you can reuse this same avatar anytime. You don't need to upload the photo again. Once the avatar is ready, click on it.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with Jogg AI. Just type your script to get started.
You'll now see a script field. This is where you decide what the avatar will say. You have two options here. You can paste your text here or upload your own recorded voice. In this example, I'll paste my script. The avatar will speak it using the Ava voice we selected earlier. Now let's talk about subtitles. If you want subtitles in your video, turn them on here. Subtitles make videos easier to follow and more engaging, especially on mobile. I'll turn subtitles on so you can see how they look. You'll also notice a small timer icon. This lets you add pauses inside your script. This step is very important. Pauses give your audience time to breathe and understand what was just said. I've seen many videos fail because they move too fast. Use pauses wisely. Everything looks good, so let's move forward. Click Generate. Give your video a name. Choose an aspect ratio of 9:16 for vertical video. For video format, select MP4. WebEM is also available, but MP4 works best for most platforms. That's it. Click Render. Your video will start generating. Once it's finished, you'll see the final result.
Hey, I'm Eden. Welcome to this Jogg AI tutorial. I'm an AI avatar, and you're hearing and seeing me right now thanks to Jogg AI, powered by the Kling 2.6 Pro model.
A realistic talking avatar that brings your script to life in a clear, human way. Now it's time to make your avatar show emotions while talking. This part matters more than most people think. Right now, many AI avatar tools can do a lot. They have smooth motion, they have perfect lip sync, they even have hand gestures. Tools like HeyGen do this well. But there is one big limitation. They cannot express real emotions. That is the key difference between a real human and an AI avatar. And this is where people usually get confused. Movement is not emotion. Lip sync is not emotion. Gestures are not emotion. Emotion is what makes viewers feel connected. Now here's the important part. Jogg AI solved this problem. They did it with something called the Avatar X model. This model lets your avatar talk with real emotions. Angry, disgusted, excited, nervous, sad, and more. Here's why this matters. When an avatar shows emotion, the viewer feels like they are watching a real person. That connection keeps people watching longer. Now let's create an avatar that talks with emotion. First, let's start here. We already uploaded an avatar photo earlier, and we already turned it into an avatar, so we don't need to redo that step. Now, click Avatar Video. Next, enter My Avatar section. You'll see your avatar list. In my case, you'll see my avatar named Eden. This is one I added recently. Click on the avatar. Now look closely at the preview. Under the avatar preview, you'll see a label called Avatar X. This tells you the avatar supports emotions. Before we move on, check this carefully. When you hover over it, you'll notice the emotions are locked. This is normal. Nothing is broken. You just need to unlock the emotion first. Now let's unlock an emotion. I'll unlock the angry emotion as an example. Click Unlock. Here's why this step matters. Unlocking an emotion is a one-time process. Once it's unlocked, you can use it anytime in the future. But there is one thing you must remember. Whenever you use an Avatar X emotion, it costs 1 credit per minute of video. This only applies when emotions are active, so use them wisely. Now wait for the unlock to finish. Jogg AI is working in the background. This can take a short moment. Once it's ready, you can move on. Now let's create the video. Paste your script into the text box. Before you generate the video, make sure you select the emotion. Now click Generate. Then click Render. Now watch the result. This is the final output.
I've already explained this twice, and I'm losing patience, so pay attention now, because I'm not saying it again.
Look at the face. Look at the tone. Look at the expression. It feels real. This is the moment most people pause and say, wow. But wait, I also unlocked the disgusted emotion and the nervous emotion. Watch how naturally the avatar reacts to the script.
Ugh. Honestly, if you're still using some outdated AI avatar tool after seeing this, it's frustrating because you're going to lose your audience while your competitor moves ahead with Jogg AI.
Now, in nervous emotion.
Okay. If you feel like this video helped you learn something useful, maybe, You could subscribe to the channel. No pressure, of course.
I can confidently say this. Jogg AI is the best one out there right now. After seeing these results, some people think AI avatars will replace humans. That's not exactly true. AI doesn't replace you. People who use AI effectively replace people who don't. The tool is only as powerful as how you use it. So here's what to do next. Include Jogg AI in your video creation workflow. Use emotional avatars when the message needs feeling. That's how you stand out. And that's how you stay ahead of your competitors. Don't wait. Go ahead and click the link in the description to try out Jogg AI for yourself. And if you found this video helpful or picked up something useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more content like this.